All right, so we have this graph here. So it's got an amplitude of 3. It's the magnitude here. The magnitude is, well, the magnitude is what you're looking for. That's how high it goes up and down. What the negative sign does is just inverses it wherever it is. The period's going to be equal to 2 pi divided by omega, and omega is the coefficient in front of x. So what it's going to be is 2 pi divided by 1/4, which is equal to 2 pi times 4, which is equal to 8 pi. So it's got a period of 8 pi. All right. So phase shift is equal to theta divided by omega. So in this case, theta is pi over 6 divided by 1/4. So this is equal to pi over 6 times 4, which is equal to 2 pi, because this gets reduced down to 2, this becomes 3 over 3. And it's shifted to the left, so negative, because if it's a plus, it's shifted to the left. Negative 2 pi over 3. 2 points on the graph. 0, so I plug in 0. So if you plug in 0, you get negative 3 times the sine of pi over 6. Pi over 6 is equal to 1/2, so negative 3 times 1/2. Yeah, that's right. So negative 3 over 2. What do you have to plug in to get 3? I don't know. Just give me a second. So 3 is equal to negative 3 sine of 1/4 plus pi over 6. So divide by negative 3, so that gives me 1. So sine of 1/4x plus pi over 6 equals negative 1. Take the arc sine. So you get 1/4 x plus pi over 6 is equal to, what's the arc sine of 1? That makes sense. It's equal to negative pi over 2. Guess you can pick that. Subtract pi over 6. So 1/4 x is equal to common denominators. Let me erase that. 3 pi over 6 minus pi over 6. So that gives me negative 4 pi over 6. Divide by 1/4, or just multiply by 4. Multiply by 4, I get x is equal to negative 16 pi over 6, which reduces down to negative 8 pi over 3. And I just checked this on my calculator, and it's right. So this is negative 8 pi over 3. Woo! It's a lot of work. All right, cool. I hope that helps you out. Thanks for watching.